Hello students, welcome to today's class. In our previous video, we had discussed about the modes of transfer of energy, that is our heat and our work. Now in this module, we are going to discuss about work. Now how can we define work? Work is defined as the energy transfer due to the change in volume of a system when an external pressure is applied. That means we can say that in a system, work is done when there will be a change in volume. And how this change in volume is taking place? The change in volume is taking place by applying pressure. When pressure is applied, there will be a change in volume, and when there is a change in volume, we say that work is done. So for work to be done, the change in volume is a must. Now let us consider our system. So in thermodynamics, when we are saying about a system, we are considering a cylinder in which a gas is enclosed and it is fitted with a movable piston. Now in the first case, you can see that here compression is taking place. When we say that compression, that means the external pressure will be greater than the internal pressure, or we can say that pressure of our gas or system. So compression takes place when the external pressure is greater than the internal pressure or the pressure of the system. Similarly, expansion takes place when this internal pressure is greater than the external pressure. So for expansion to take place, the external pressure will be what? Will be less than the internal pressure. Now when we are considering the expression for work, you can see that it is given as W minus integration of V1 to V2 PdV. This is the general expression for work done on a system, and the negative sign represents the sign convention which we will study later on. So you can see that in this case we can say that the work done on the system is given as positive. Now when we are saying the work is done on the system, you can see that what is this? Is our original movable piston. When work is done on the system, what happens? The gas compresses, and we say that the W is represented by which sign? It is represented as positive. Similarly, when we are saying work done by the system, that means what? This is our movable piston's original position, and when we are saying that work is done by the system, what happens? The gas expands, and thus our work done is represented by which sign? It is represented as negative. Now if we are considering the pressure volume work, we can consider our first point. Now in this case, you can see that what is that here? Work is done against the external pressure. That means this is our external pressure. This is our internal pressure or pressure of the system. So work is done against the internal pressure means what? There is expansion is taking place. Therefore, we can say that the external pressure is less than what? Pressure of the gas. Why? Because the work is done against the pressure, and thus what happens? Expansion takes place. So you can see that this was our original position which we are representing the volume as V1, and when expansion takes place, the piston has moved upwards and our new volume is what? It is V2. Now the change in this volume, or we can say that the overall change is represented by what? ds. What is the overall change? First the piston was here, now the piston has moved up. So the overall change is represented by what? dx. So we can represent the change in volume as dV. This change in volume can be represented as dV, which is given by the expression A into dx. Or we can say that we know that volume is equal to what? Area into displacement. So A is our area, and what is our dx? We have already said the total change or the overall change in position. So the overall change in position can be said as what? It is our displacement. So change in volume is given as area into displacement. Now we have to see the force against which our work is done. So what is our force? Force can be represented as F. Now what is the force? This one. It is done against what? It is done against the external pressure. So we can represent it as force can be represented as P into A. We have done the work against the external pressure. So in your physics, you must already have learned the formula for work. What is that? It is given as force is equal to pressure into area. So when we are saying about the work, the work is given as, the force is given as pressure into area, and thus work can be represented as our force into displacement. What is our work? It is force into displacement. Now instead of force we have got it. What is the force? It is our P external into, or we can say that we can represent it as, what is that? We can represent it as minus F into, what is our displacement? We have already written here. What is our displacement? It is our dx. Now why we are putting a negative sign here? We are putting a negative sign because what is that? The external force, the force is done against the, okay. So the external force is against the the force is against this external pressure. That is why we are putting a negative sign, or we can represent it as dW is equal to what? Minus F into dx. Now we know the value for force. What is that? It is P external into A. Thus we can write it as, it is our, what is that? It is dW is equal to minus P external into A into dx, where this term represents our what? It is our force. Now we have already learned what is A into ds. A into dx is our change in volume, and thus we can represent it as dW is equal to minus P external into, what is that? dV. Now the work can be represented as, this sign changes to the integration sign. So we have seen in our, here we have already seen what is the change in volume. It is from V1 to V2. So thus we can here represent it as, it will be change in volume, that is V1 to V2, and thus what is that? The negative sign will be out of this integration sign, and thus P external to dV, or we can represent, instead of P external we can represent it as pressure. So it will be minus V1 to V2 P dV. So this is our general expression for what? For work done. Now this expression can be applied in the case of irreversible process, and similarly we can also apply it for the case of reversible process. So just let us see how can we apply it on the case of an irreversible process. So for an irreversible process, we had already studied. When we are saying the process as an irreversible process, when we are putting a, what is that? We are putting a bigger mass, and what happens? The piston moves, or the piston comes suddenly. So we can represent it as what? We can piston move suddenly, and thus for an irreversible process, our work done will be, we have to first write down the general expression, that is just now we have arrived, integration V1 to V2 PdV, or work is equal to what? On removing the integration sign, substituting this one, we will be getting V1 V2 dV. Why we have taken this pressure outside the integration? Because the pressure is a constant. So W will be equal to minus P V2 minus V1. This one is our expression for what? Work done in the case of an irreversible process. Similarly, we can also apply it in the case of a work done in the case of what? In the case of reversible process. Hope this much is clear. Thank you.